Okay, now unit 8, where are you going? That's number 2. This video I will cover with let's do something or shall we do something together, those kind of sentence. Okay? Okay, so new words. Okay, 練習 means practice. 練習 homework 宿題 宿題 house 家 家 radio ラジオ ラジオ let me see when you are thinking. Okay. えっと、えっと。Okay. Right. Let's do something is verb ましょう. Change the verb must to ましょう. Verb ましょう makes it let's do something. So for example, 食べます。食べましょう. Which means let's eat. 飲みます。飲みましょう. Let's drink. 聞きます。聞きましょう. Listen. How about this one? 見ます。Can you make it to let's watch? 見ましょう. Let's watch. How about 行きます。Let's go. 行きましょう. Okay. Now, try make this sentence in Japanese. Let's eat lunch. Let's eat lunch. In Japanese, 昼ご飯を食べましょう. Just change must to ましょう. That's all. Okay? 昼ご飯を食べましょう. How about this one? Let's listen to the music. In Japanese, 音楽を聴きましょう。音楽を聴きましょう。Right, another one. Let's read a book together. Now, this one is 一緒に本を読みましょう。一緒に本を読みましょう。Right. Okay, 練習しましょう。Okay, let's practice. Copy the sentences and translate into English. Number 1, 映画を見ましょう。Number 2, 焼き鳥を食べましょう。Number 3, 一緒に釣りをしましょう。Alright, please pause it here and then write them down into English. Okay, then the answers are number 1, let's watch a movie. Number 2, let's eat a chicken skewer or chicken kebabs together. Number 3, let's do fishing together or let's go fishing. That's fine, but let's do fishing this stage. Okay, now conversation wise, okay, if someone says let's go to the town together, 一緒に街へ行きましょう. You can reply, いいですね。そうしましょう. Sounds good. Let's do that. Or 街はちょっと. Town is a bit and implies I don't want to go. Okay. Japanese are very nice people. Try not to hurt other person's feelings. So they doesn't give you answer like a direct answer if it's negative. Okay. So just implies a bit. Okay. 街はちょっと town is a bit. Okay. Right. Another one. Okay, let's practice. Copy and translate. Okay, now this one, conversation. Okay, oh, here we go. So first one is 一緒に宿題をしましょう。B says, はい、そうしましょう。Another one says, 一緒にテレビを見ましょう。And B says, テレビはちょっと、私は勉強します。Alright, please pause it here and write it down. Okay, the answers are, let's do homework together. Yes, let's. Okay, yes, let's do that. Okay, let's watch TV together. TV is a bit. I'll study. Okay, something like that. It's like you guys. Okay, right here. Now, next one is shall we? Is a verb ましょうか? Change verb must to verb ましょうか becomes shall we do something? It's easy peasy. Okay, similar idea to let's do something. So, 食べます。食べましょうか Shall we eat? 行きます。行きましょうか Shall we go? Okay. Excuse me. And 勉強します。Okay. How do you make it to shall we study? 勉強しましょうか Shall we study? Next one. 読みます。How do you make it to shall we read? 読みましょうか Okay. Right. And now, for example, キャンプに行きましょうか What does it mean? Shall we go camping? はい、いいですね。そうしましょう。What does this mean? Yes, sounds good. Yeah, let's do that. Okay. Next one. キャンプはちょっと。What does this mean? Camping is a bit, and it implies I don't want to go to the camping. Okay? Cool. Right. Another practice. Okay, these are write the sentences in Japanese. First one, shall we go to the mountain together? Yes, let's do that. Another one, shall we eat dinner together? Dinner is a bit. I will study Japanese. Okay, please pause it here and then write them down. Okay, the answers are 一緒に山へ行きましょうかはい、そうしましょう。Another one 一緒に晩ご飯を食べましょうか晩ご飯はちょっと日本語を勉強します。Okay, these are the answers. Did you get it? Alright, I hope you got it. And yeah, please work on the worksheet and read some course books and stuff as well. Alright, thank you.